everyone, and welcome back to Packed. In this episode, I'm going to talk you through everything that you need to pack for a trip to Costa Rica. Our packing guide covers a variety of activities and accounts for Costa Rica's tropical heat, so you'll be completely prepared for your trip away. So let's get straight into it. So let's just start with the basics. You're going to need a passport holder to keep all your bits safe and secure when at the airport. You're also going to need a reusable water bottle and a travel adapter. So Costa Rica actually uses the same plug as the USA. So they just have two flat prongs, also known as type A. Also remember to bring an eye mask for those early sunrises and a lock for your luggage bag so that you can keep it safe when traveling between destinations. Summertime in Costa Rica can get really hot. It can reach plus 28 degrees. So bring a hand fan with you and just keep it in your day pack so you can use it throughout the day. So on our trip to Costa Rica, we traveled to Tortuguero National Park, and here we kayak or canoe through the beautiful riverways. But to make sure that everything keeps nice and dry, it's a really good idea to take with you a waterproof phone case. So all you need to do is pop your phone inside and it's completely sealed, so you can just hang this around your neck whilst you're in the water. A small waterproof bag is also really useful to keep all of your day bits in. So when you're out on the water, you can put your camera, wallet, sunscreen inside, anything that you don't want to get wet. And then all you have to do is roll it up and then pin it around like that, and you're ready to go. Another water-based activity you can do in Costa Rica is tub down the beautiful light blue river of Rio Celeste. Your shoes will be getting soaking wet during this tubbing activity, so we do recommend bringing a pair that you don't mind getting wet, like some old trainers. You'll obviously also need to bring a light towel with you, but if you are looking to save space in your suitcase, a travel towel is a really good alternative. For lots of water activities, you wear a t-shirt over the top, so bring an old one with you that you don't mind getting wet. And when you do have consecutive days of water activities, taking more than one piece of swimwear can account for things not drying easily. More breathable and lightweight materials will really help you to stay comfortable during the more energetic activities like hiking. So make sure you bring some breathable activewear with you, like shorts and vests. A comfortable and sturdy pair of walking shoes will be perfect for hiking in Costa Rica, but you can also wear trainers and sneakers. Just make sure that they have a really good amount of tread on the soles. The sun is also likely to be really strong during the day, so protecting yourself with sunglasses, sunscreen, and a sun hat is really important. Costa Rica also has some really beautiful hot springs, so for relaxing, you might want to bring a sarong or cover up. In the way of toiletries, it's a good idea just to have a little bag to pop everything in. A couple of standout items for Costa Rica are SPF lip balm and mosquito repellent. Bring a laundry bag to put all your clothes in once they're dirty, and also bring a light waterproof jacket with you. Rain showers can occur at any time of the year, so it is worth bringing a light jacket or a poncho. For daytime activities, bring a backpack that's just small enough to fit in your water bottle, sunscreen, camera, and any other essentials. It will be warm, so opt for a pair of shorts, but also bring a light jumper or sweater with you. It is unlikely to get cold, but you may want to bring a light one just for the fresh morning air. And here are our last couple of items. It's a good idea to bring a pair of shoes that you can relax in, like sandals or flip-flops, and also bring a couple of t-shirts with you. When it is really hot, you may want to change over during the day. And lastly, whether you bring an evening outfit or not is totally up to you, but you may want to bring along a dress or a nice shirt for the bars and restaurants in San Jose. So when it comes to packing everything together, it is up to you whether you bring a backpack or a suitcase. But either way, a soft-sided bag is best for packing into transfer vehicles. And that's it, everything that you need to pack for a trip to Costa Rica. Of course, our packing guide has been tailored to fit our own trip, but you can definitely add more or less depending on your specific plans. If you like this video, make sure to comment and subscribe below, and I'll see you next time for another episode of Packed.